In this particular lesson, you are going to learn how to create a table. Why do you need a table in a web page? So that you can organize your data neatly, because not everything that you can write in a paragraph. Sometimes you want a table just to put in some data so that the visitor can easily understand the content. So table is very useful. So how to create this particular table? First thing, you need to have a few tags. You need to remember a few tags. The first one, to begin, you need to have the table tag. Table and close table. So you have the main tag ready. Now you need to have a border. Okay, tables must have border. If you don't have a border for the table, it will look very awkward. So you need to have a border. So put in border. Usually 1 pixel is enough. 1 px. Now, let's go in and create the rows of the tables and the columns for the tables. Okay, tables contain rows and also columns. For the row, you have tr, table row. Give some space and you close the tr. So basically, this is my first row, but I don't have the columns yet. I cannot type anything here. I need the column first. So I need to have td. td is table data. So you need to have table. You need to have the row. Inside the row, you need to have the column. In one row, you can have as many columns as you want to. So let's put in 3 columns. So now I have a table with 1 row, and that particular row have 3 columns. What I want to do now is, I want to make a second row. So what I do, I copy the first one and I put in. Save. And then I run. This is my table. This is how it looks like. There's nothing much there because I did not put in the contents yet. The table is empty. So nothing is shown except for the borders. Alright. So let's put in some content. This is the ID. This is the name. This is the state. Save and refresh. So this is what I have. This is the first row. The first column is ID, second column is name, third column is state. For the second row, I'm going to put in the student's details. So let's say ID 111. This is Ali. Ali is from Malacca. Save. I have this table. Did you notice that the border is very close to the content? It's very close. It follows the largest content, the longest content. Okay, but it's still very close to the content. How do we make it a bit bigger so that it looks much more neater? What you can do is, at the table here, you can put in width. Maybe you can put like 400 px, pixels. And this is what you will get. A much neater looking table. Okay. If you want another row, you can add in another row. I'll just copy and I can paste. So this one will be another student, Jessie. Jessie is, let's say, from Kelantan. Save. Now, it looks okay, but I feel that the first row, which is the header row, this is the title row, I want it to be bold. Okay, I want it to be bold. So what I can do is, I am going to change it to become a header row. How to change that? Okay, this is actually row number 1, which is this. This is row number 1. Go to the TD and change it to TH. TH means table header. So change all the D to H, and later you will see the difference. Save and refresh. Can you see a difference? Once I change TD to TH, it becomes bold and that particular text becomes in the middle of the column. Why? Because it is a header. Header should look a bit nicer compared to the data row. Alright. What else can we change? Okay. Usually, the table will have a title. Okay, we'll have a title. You cannot just leave a table just like this. You need a title to explain what the table is for. That one can be done using caption. Caption. Okay, we use another tag. The tag is caption. Where to put the tag? Go here at the end of the table. Enter. And you can put caption. Maybe the title will be List of Probation Student. And close your caption. Okay, so let me make the code a bit smaller so you can see it all in one row. Okay, so this is the caption. This will be the title for your table. You cannot put it outside the table. It should be below the table tag. Save and refresh. So you will have a title for this particular table. The title will always be on the top of the table. You cannot move it to the bottom. What if you want this particular title to be underlined or to be in italic? You can also put the normal italic tag. Okay, and it will become italics. So up to your design, how you want it to be. Okay, so remember, if you want to create a table, you need to have the table tag, followed by a caption if it is required, followed by the row, TR, followed by a TH if it is a header row, and followed by TD. This is where you put in your contents, your data. For a table, it is not necessary for you to put in between the P tag. It is not necessary because table tags, the table actually stands alone. Same like list, it stands alone. So it's okay, you don't have to put in the paragraph tag. So this is how you create a table in HTML.